Hi my friends and welcome to my channel. This is Sophia. Today we are making a beaded flower bracelet, and I got this amazing beading set from Amazon. It has a lot of beads, all colors, pearls or solid matte. Those are the needles taped to the top. It has little star beads, smiley face beads, scissors, letter beads, charms, a few charms as you see, tweezers, and the closures, even earrings to make earrings. What can I say? I'm pretty happy with it. More charms. The closures are gold only. The tweezers are actually closed. That's the needle for threading the beads, or stringing. I'm not sure what it's called. Anyways, we threaded the needle and we put the closure so that we can attach the lobster clasp bead. And you close the little jump ring with some pliers. And the first flower I chose hot pink and white. I am putting 10 green beads in between the flowers. So we start by stringing 4 petal beads, the middle right after, and then we're gonna put the needle through the first petal bead and we create a little circle, and then it was a little thick, I don't know what's going on. So yeah, we have a little circle, and now you're gonna string 2 more beads for the petals to create the whole little flower. And we're gonna string those 2 little petals through the petal right next to them. Okay, so through that bead right next to them, and you create a little circle. So our petals have 6 beads in them with the middle. Again, we're gonna add 10 beads. I chose green beads, different shades of green, in between the flowers. Very clumsy. Colors are amazing. I love them. I love this set. Now we're gonna make a white flower like a daisy. So 4 white petals in the middle, which is yellow, and then we string through. The camera didn't have space on the card anymore, so we're making a purple flower right now. Purple petals, white middle, so 4 purple beads and one white bead. We're gonna insert the needle through the first purple bead, away from the middle. We created a little circle, and now we're gonna get 2 more purple beads. Close the circle, we're gonna insert the needle straight to the bead right next to the last bead. Okay, so right next through that one. Okay, and like that we're gonna create the little circle with the bead in the middle. And that's pretty much it. You can create your own patterns where if you want you can put more petals, 7, 8. I just thought 6 are enough. I tried with 8 but it was too much. And then in between, I don't know, I just strung green beads to resemble the nature where you have grass or the stem of the flower if you want. Yep. So that's pretty much it. I enjoyed making this bracelet, really. It's so pretty. I love colorful stuff. Now we're gonna make an orange one. With a pink middle. I think orange and pink work together really well. I like the combination. So that's the last flower I'm gonna make, and then I'm gonna add the closure after I'm done with it. So for the closure, I have this little contraption that looks like a V, and you actually insert a bead, a gold bead, to keep the thread in place, and then you close it. So you're gonna put the bead inside of it, and then you gotta close it with pliers to keep it closed tight. And after that, you're gonna use a jump ring for it. Close the jump ring, and I attached a little chain so that I can use it with the thing. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. Have a